Hey darlings, welcome back. Let me get some housekeeping out of the way before I get into the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do it before you leave. Leave a like if you like the video at the end, and leave a comment down below and share it with a friend. Anywho, I was just showing you guys what you will need to make my do-it-yourself clay mask mixture. You will need a plastic bowl, a plastic utensil such as a spoon or a fork, apple cider vinegar, and water. That is all you will need. And I also like to add the Trader Joe's conditioner specifically, but a nice conditioner that you can use for co-washing would do just fine. So I will leave all of the measurements, the exact measurements of the ingredients in the description box to guide you along your way. But I am just showing you how I am mixing. First, I add my apple cider vinegar to the clay mix, and that is about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then I add my water, which is about 1/3 cup. Now this is clay obviously, so it does not mix readily. Clay has the tendency to become waterlogged and to absorb water and become lumpy, and that's exactly what bentonite clay is doing because it is true to its form. So most people use the clay mixture how you're seeing it right there, but I don't like mine like this. I like mine to be smooth and creamy, so I add in a conditioner, and I specifically add in conditioners that I think would be great as a co-wash. This Trader Joe's conditioner specifically has tingling properties and has eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil, and I think it would work great as a co-wash if I co-washed. So I see no problem with adding it to a product that is going directly on my scalp. So I add it, and as you can see, it is much creamier and it has mixed beautifully. The next video that I'm going to post will show you how I apply the clay to my hair. So don't forget to click on your notification bell so that you're keeping abreast with my videos and you can see all of the new stuff that I will be posting. I am trying to keep it short because I suspect that you guys like short videos. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please let me know if you use any type of clay or if you use any ayurvedic powders or mixes at all. Let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon with my other video.